Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to install ChatGPT Extension. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up Google Chrome in your device. And now, search for ChatGPT for Google in your search bar. And click on the first link that appears on the screen. And now this will lead you to the ChatGPT extension. Now click on Add to Chrome next to ChatGPT for Google icon. And then select Add Extension. Now wait for the extension to get downloaded. And once the download is completed, save all the settings. And now you can go ahead and try out the new ChatGPT extension. Open up Google and ask a question. Now before, when we used to ask questions to Google, it presented several links regarding the video or regarding the issue. But now the ChatGPT extension will type it down for you easily. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.